Good afternoon, Frazier here with Elegant Auto Sales. Today I'm going to be doing a walk around of this 2017 Ford Focus ST. We'll do the outside, we'll do the inside condition and features. I'll pop the hood, let you take a look at the engine. We'll turn it over, let you see the dash and all the lights. Then we'll go back to the engine so you can hear how it sounds. But first I'm just going to get outside condition, whatever features there may be. Then we'll get to the inside here in just a moment. Getting both angles for you as well so you can see condition for yourself. Big reason we do these videos, saves a bunch of time on both sides. You have a great idea of what you're coming in to look at. This one here is a little rocket ship. The rear spoiler there. This one does have the backup camera. Dual exhaust there, as you can see. We'll get down here on tire size here in just a moment. Again, just want to get those angles in there for you. Get down here on tire size. Looks like new rubber on those. Fog lights, focus for me there. Yeah, there we go. Fog lights. Excuse me. Alright, let's get to the inside condition and features. Power windows, power locks. Let's get the conditions of the seat here. I don't see any rips. It's a little bit of moisture from me prepping the car here. If you ever need photos or even another video walk around, just give us a call or a text. We'll get any info we can over to you. Happy to do it. Alright, let's get the front here. Some features up front, if it'll focus for me. There we go. Steering wheel controls there. Media center, gauges up there. Let's see if I can't focus. There we go. Media center, stock stereo. AC blows cold. Glare out of there. Alright, let's take a look underneath the hood. Does have both fobs, so you know. Let's put those in my back pocket so I can open this up for you. I'll find the latch here. Probably should have done that before we started the video. Oh, there it goes. Alright guys, now I do say this in my videos all the time, far from mechanically inclined, but I do like to get this in here the best I can. Chances are, if you're looking at this one, you've looked at a few others, so you know what you're looking for. This one's dang near new, like 14,000 miles on it, something like that, but we'll see here in just a moment. Let's turn it over, let you see the dash and all the lights. There's the mileage there, 14.3, almost 14.4. Alright, let's turn it over. As you can see, no check engine lights, nothing like that. Engine is on. Hood is ajar. Driver door is ajar. There you go. Media center there with the backup camera. I'm going to put it in reverse. Backup camera there. Alright, let's go back to the engine so you can hear how it sounds. hopefully. In the little ST rocket ship. Well, hopefully this helped answer some questions. If there's anything I may have missed, or you'd like me to come out, take photos, shoot another video walk around, whatever we can do to help, we're happy to do it. Just give us a call or a text. Want to say thank you for your time and consideration, and hopefully we can earn your business. Enjoy your day.